Alright, it's recording. Zach's gonna try our dirt bikes. So give it very little gas, alright? So put it in first gear. Slowly let off, now go. Don't pop it yet. I don't know how to zoom. Can you zoom on these? Yay! Yeah, go Zach! Yay! Woo! Was he gonna go down the hill? Zach's going down the hill.
He just crashed.
How do you turn it off? Push the off button. Huh? Wonder if he's still in first gear. Is he still in first gear? I really hope he doesn't run into the geese. What if he ran into the geese? Oh, I hope he doesn't go around the pond. Here, just that. I'm gonna run and tell him. Go.
He's going!
You didn't even see it! But this is still on.